Hey, it's Arie here. Welcome back to another video on my channel. In today's video, I want to go over exactly the best way you can get started with affiliate marketing and have long-term success. If you're looking to build something that can truly support you long-term, and you want to be able to create a lifestyle around the entire concept of affiliate marketing where you could be working on your own terms, getting passive income while you're out on vacation, living the lifestyle of freedom, then this video I'm going to be showing you what I believe is the number one way that you can get long-term success with affiliate marketing and actually get, the long-term results. So I just want to say before I really dive into the entire topic here, affiliate marketing, I recently did another video on this actually, where I talked about what I believe are the 5 reasons why you should get into affiliate marketing. And in that video, I pretty much went over, I said that, there's a really huge earning potential, very low startup costs, very, low risk to, of course, get started. And I believe that for that reason, affiliate marketing is the best way, probably the best way to get, financial freedom, where you could be working on your own terms. You could have freedom and flexibility. You could be, working pretty much wherever as long as you have an internet connection. However, the downside with affiliate marketing is that while it is, massive earning potential, while you can potentially make more than what doctors make, more money than what lawyers make, the downside is that most people never succeed with affiliate marketing. There's millions of people all around the world trying to get into affiliate marketing, and most people, very small percent of people actually succeed with affiliate marketing long term. So in this video, I want to go over exactly not just the best way to get started with affiliate marketing, but also some things that you should avoid as well. So I'm very excited for this video, and if this is the first time that you're on my channel, I'm always putting out new content every single day that will show you how to really build a long-term business through this entire concept, and so you could have, the best chance of getting long-term success in your business. So I'm very excited for this video, and if you enjoy content like this, about how to do affiliate marketing, how to grow a business online, and also different ways on how you can, of course, make money online, definitely be sure to consider subscribing to this channel down below if you haven't done so already. And this way you can be notified of all the new videos I post on this channel. But without further ado, let's get right into the topic. So the very first thing that I want to mention is I want to go over a few things that that you should avoid doing right off the bat. So there is a right way that you should do affiliate marketing, and there is also a way that you should also avoid. So most people who never get the long-term success with affiliate marketing, I'd say the primary reason is because they are constantly doing it the wrong way. What most people are doing is they are chasing money. What they're doing is, they've got their, little affiliate product that they're trying to promote, and what they're doing is they are spamming their links and their business opportunity all over the place. And I also want to mention something that has actually been kind of bothering me lately. I noticed a lot of my videos lately have been getting spammed with these certain comments that I've been getting, and I figured since I'm talking about this right now, I might as well show exactly what I'm exactly referring to. And so on a lot of my older, actually more recent videos that I've been just recently putting up, I've been getting a lot of spam comments, and I'm actually going to show these right on video. So I've been getting a lot of comments that look kind of like this. So, there's this video I posted recently called the top 4 free traffic sources for affiliate marketing. And in this comment, or in this video, I got this comment saying, "Great vid, I'm so happy because I reached my goal today. I generated just over $200 profit with affiliate marketing. To inform you the truth, it wasn't simple to begin making this much money, and I struggled for a long time. It was just last month that I stumbled upon David Strain profit strategy on Google. I began making money the following day I came across this method. I'm so happy now, so continue if you intend to make some funds online. It's so achievable." So this, when I first seen it, I was like, okay, that's kind of cool. I guess he's kind of sharing a story here. But then I realized I got this comment again from another user, and then I also got another comment very similar to this saying, I was struggling for a while, then I got, $200 profit after finding out this David Strain guy or whoever, this guy is, if he's even real or not. And now I'm all of a sudden making money online, look this up on Google now. So essentially what this person is trying to do, or what this faceless account exactly, is he's trying to get either myself or maybe even some of you guys watching this to potentially look that up and see exactly, what this is, And a lot of people, since they have this very short-term mindset, they have this get-rich-quick mindset, then, they're going to look it up and they're going to hope that if they buy into this, whatever this thing is, that they're going to instantly start making money, overnight. So this is, I'd say primarily why most people never succeed with long term is because they're always chasing money. They're always looking for that next get rich quick, shiny object that will get them, sales right away. And, a lot of people are willing to just, go out there and spam their affiliate link or spam their business opportunity, hoping that if they shove it down enough people's throats that someone will eventually buy it and they'll get this stupid little $20 commission. So I know I'm kind of going off on a rant here, but this is just something that I've been, that's been kind of bothering me lately. And I just thought I would, really go over it here. So I got this comment and I kind of gave this funny response. I said, stop spamming. We all know that you're not making money with this strategy. So, this is one comment I've been getting, and there's a whole bunch of other ones. Like, look at, like, this is a nice vid. I'm so happy because I reached my goal yesterday. I made it a bit over 200. Yeah, so like very similar comment to, again, from same exact user actually commenting on, 2 videos that I got, and then I've got, like 2 more people, no, like 3 more people actually that commented something very similar. So these people are, I guess they found something and then they were told, okay, start spamming this copy and pasted message on other videos. And if anyone ever tells you that, this is how you want to go about it, you want to just spam your links all over the place through your different, messages, you need to run the other direction. You need to run for the hills and just avoid that exact strategy, because I promise you, you will never make money with this strategy. And if you do, then it's going to be some, quick, short term thing that isn't going to last long term, and it's ultimately going to backfire on you in the long run. So that's one mistake that a lot of people make. And another one is, it even happens like a lot on Facebook. There's these different, Facebook groups that I've ranted on in the past, like this one right here, home-based business opportunities. I mean, literally all it is people just spamming their links, their different opportunities like this. This WordPress plugin lowers your bounce rate. And just an affiliate link, here, check out my thing right here. I could show you how to earn 5,000 daily without stressing yourself. Be like everyone else. Type info to get started. And look at this. The thing that you'll notice is that most of these posts that people are putting up are getting very little to no engagement at all. And it's because, the answer should be pretty obvious. For one, people don't like being spammed. And then also, sites like Facebook, they are against spammers, where they don't want, they will show your post to less people if you spam on Facebook. So Facebook has, this thing where they they actually penalize you for spamming your links, your messages, where they won't actually reach more people. So that's the other reason. And it's kind of ironic. What is your biggest turnoff when it comes to starting your own network marketing business? I guess spammers is, one thing right there. So I know I've kind of ranted quite a bit there, and it's already been like 8 minutes in this video. Wow, I kind of went quite fast here. But anyways, I want to talk specifically about what is the best way to get started with affiliate marketing. And I believe really the best way to really get long-term success in your business, if you want to create something that will truly support you long-term, that will get you passive income down the road, my number one recommendation is you want to find one great product that you truly believe in. You want to start with one product in a booming niche. So whether it's something like, making money online, whether it's the health and wellness niche, ideally you would want to go for something that, there's a huge demand for it. People are wanting to learn more about how to get, a better result, in terms of like losing weight or making more money or something like that, where there's a huge need, and you want to have a product that there's a pretty good earning potential with. So that's ideally what you want to start with. And then once you find something, there's, like, programs like, Amazon's got their affiliate program you could join. There's JVZoo. There's also ClickBank. There's plenty of different products and services that you could actually check out for yourself. And then once you find something that you truly believe in, what you could do is you could start creating content on a consistent basis. And there's a few different ways you could, of course, go about this. I mean, you could create YouTube videos, kind of like what I'm doing right here. I like doing videos like this where I'm on my computer screen. I like to, share things that I'm, of course, learning. But, you could also do like a Facebook page, and you can connect with people one-on-one. You can create content on your Facebook profile. You can set up a Facebook fan page. You could build up a following on there. That's another way that you can, of course, go about it. You could even set up a website. You could set up a podcast. And as you continue putting out content on a regular basis, think of it like this. Every single piece of content that you put out there, is pretty much like an employee working for you 24/7. It's a salesperson that is pretty much doing all of the selling and telling for you. So if you put out, like 100 videos within, like a year or something like that, where you are explaining exactly, how someone could, of course, solve a specific problem, and then you are linking to, whatever solution it is that you have in your description, or or like in your blog post, then a lot of people who see your content, if, considering that it is, of course, being found and people enjoy the content that you're, of course, putting out there, they will be much more than interested in checking out the exact offer that you have to actually recommend. So that's really what I believe is hands down the best way that you can really go about this. And I've said this multiple times, in plenty of my videos, and I'll say it again here. Every single piece of content that you put out there on the internet is like a salesperson working for you 24/7. You could have 100 videos out there, and even if they aren't the best, even if you don't even if you aren't the best when it comes to like editing videos, and even if you aren't like professional when it comes to like being super fluent on camera. I know that in my case, even I don't consider myself to be like like amazing on video at all. I'm still improving as I go along, but as long as you are sharing great, valuable information that people are looking for, and you are making recommendations to good quality products that you truly believe, you truly actually use yourself, and you truly believe that they could actually help other people, then they'll be interested in checking out whatever offer it is that you have to offer. So that's really the way that you want to go about it. So like I'll show an example right on YouTube. Actually, there are people, content creators, that actually make money simply by showing like tutorials on, like, for example, like how to build a WordPress website, right? And so what these people do is, there's plenty of channels that actually show this, where they create these little tutorials on how to create like a WordPress website, and then in their description they have a link to where you could check out the offer that is that they're of course promoting. So ideally, with video tutorials on like how to create a website, they'll have like a link down below where it's like, start your website here. Like this guy, for instance, create WP site right here. If I click on his video and I see exactly, okay, so this video is pretty much like a tutorial on, like 16 minutes long, and it shows how to build a WordPress website. I'm going to pause this real quick. I'm going to pause this. Okay, kind of took a while to pause there. I know my internet's being a bit slow, but thought I paused the video. Alright, so to save some time, I actually paused the video real quick, and I just allowed it to load up a bit. But here we've got the video right here, how to create a WordPress website 2019 made easy. Again, this video is like, what, 16 minutes long. It's got well over 100 views. And think of it like this. Anytime someone watches this video, literally all they had to do was search up how to build a WordPress website. And this came up like second result right here into YouTube right here. And as long as they find this video, anyone that watches this video and are interested in building a website for themselves, all they have to do is go down in the description, and he's got his link right here. His link where you could actually build up a WordPress website. So this is his link right here. He's got like a little promo deal. They go to that, and then they could choose to set up a website for themselves simply by following exactly what he has shown in the video. So he's creating helpful content on a consistent basis, and then when people check out his offer that he's, of course, recommending, anytime that someone goes to this link and they buy the product that he's recommending, on his own website, then he gets paid a commission. So this is a great way, if you are creating lots of helpful content in the long term, to get passive income down the road. And this is really the method that I highly recommend. I just cannot stress this enough. This is ideally the way that you want to go if you want to build long-term success in your business. So if you are looking to build a long-term business through the entire concept of affiliate marketing, and you want to actually dive deeper into actually how to set all of this stuff up properly, step by step, then my #1 link down below in the description will give you access to my free training. It's a free 4-day training that will go over more in depth about the 4 different things you must have in place to really build a long-term business online. So there are a few things in this video that I kind of left out because I don't want this video to get, drawn out, like 30 minutes, like 30 plus minutes and all that stuff. But if you want to actually dive deeper and you want to actually learn, okay, what are all the steps that I need to have in place to really build a long-term business online, then check out my number one link down below, and you'll get instant access to my free training I put together. So that really goes into depth more about how to really build a long-term business. And if you're truly ready on changing your life for the better, you want to create more of a passive income online, then that number one link will give you access to my free training right there. Anyways, I hope you found this video helpful, and if you did, be sure to give it a like, leave a comment down below, because it really does help the channel. But anyways, take care.